How to connect your LinkedIn account with your Vimeo on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Vimeo. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go right here to your profile, click on edit profile, and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go down here to connected apps and scroll down. You will find the LinkedIn app. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just click here on connect as an administrator and it will take you directly to LinkedIn. Then you will be able to connect it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.